What's up YouTube, my name is Louis Ling China. Welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be how to draw a landscape with mountain with ink. A couple of weeks ago I added a video about what you want me to draw, and end up having at least 4 subscribers, and I'm up to my second one. So this is going to be a shout out to WAYWARD Creativity. He wanted me to draw as a request a landscape from mountain. So WAYWARD Creativity, if you're watching, I did finish the drawing for you. Tell me what you think, and tell everybody, share it, make a comment, and tell your friends to subscribe to your channel. It goes for everybody else. So again, let's start the drawing.